pro since 2009, actually went undefeated sa kanyang unang 17 fights before losing to Antonio Lozada in December 2011. Chavez. Oh, big shot to the body. And he went down.
Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, suporta naman. Click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ang video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. February 7, 2015, may isang matapang na Meksikano na naman ang dumayo dito sa Pinas para sumubok sa tibay at lakas ni Jason El Nino Pagara, si Cesar El Dolar Chavez. Ang laban ay para ulit sa pagdipinsa ni El Nino sa kanyang titulo na WBO International Super Lightweight title. Bit-bit ng dayong Meksikano ang record na 24 wins, 7 losses, 12 dito via knockout. Habang ang defending champion na Pinoy ay dala-dala ang impresibong kartada na 34 wins, 2 losses, 21 dito via knockout. Sa mismong gabi ng laban, di pinahiya ni Jason Pagara ang mga nanonood ng live sa arena. Maaksyong laban ang ipinakita niya. Pinamalas agad sa kalaban kung bakit siya ang defending champion. Unang round, malulupit na kamao agad ang binato niya sa kalabang dayo. Pero itong si Chavez ay di naman nakitaan ng takot. Sumasabay din sa palitan ng mga kamao.
Got speed, he's got power, and you know this kid has got, his focus right, his priorities.
Pero matapos ang mahigit isang minuto, huli agad sa isang malutong na left uppercut itong kalaban at bagsak agad sa unang round pa lang.
Sa kanyang unang 17 fights before losing to Antonio Lozada in December 2011. Chavez. Oh, big shot to the body.
And he went down.
Tumayo naman agad ito at pilit sumabay pero matapos ang ilang segundo, bagsak na naman ito.
Round number 1 kontra kay El Nino. Ito na.
I doubt very much. Anyway, let's see.
Wincing in pain si Chavez from a body shot. A left to the body and a right hook to the head. The power of El Nino. Another left to the body by Pagara.
What to do? Magaling itong katsiyo mo. Magaling itong bata na ito. Now he's turning to a southpaw stance. Good comeback.
Survive that body shot.
And the corner is telling Chavez to get out of trouble. Good body
Oh,
shot.
that is shot to the body. Again, Chavez goes down for the second time. Body shot and El Dolar.
Final 10 seconds.
And here we go. Sampung segundo. Will Chavez survive? 2 knockdowns.
Goes the bell, end of the round. Big round for Jason Pagara as he was going down.
Ito ang isa pang diskarte. There's that left to the body. And double right hand
That
to
was the
flatten.
first. That was the first knockdown.
Oo.
Ito ang second.
Right to the body. Another right to the body. Another right to the body. Left. Puro bodega ang tinira ni Pagara.
And he was grimacing in pain.
Second round, tuloy ang bakbakan pero makikitang puro atras na lang itong kalaban. Di pa naka-recover sa mga kamaong sinalo. Tila ramdam na ang lakas ni El Nino.
Sa The Ritz Hotel Garden Oasis dito sa Davao for our great accommodation. It has been very hostile opening round pa lamang. 2 knockdowns mga kaibigan na score ni Pagara. El Dolar Chavez.
Another left.
Pagara taking his time. Oh, right hand by Pagara.
Another right hand by Jason. Left by Pagara.
Bawat suntok ni Pagara.
Alam mo na,
Ramdam ha.
yung ginawa ni Pagara, he's mixing his punches. So,
Hindi mabasa.
Chavez, there's no way.
2 knockdowns ang na-score ni Pagara sa opening round for a 10-7 opening salvo for the Filipino fighter.
Left hook, graze.
Pero matapos ulit ang isang minuto, Left hook na naman ang sumapol sa kalaban at tumba na naman.
Ranked number 4 by the WBO pero nag-issue siya ng tiyan kaya malaki ang pag-asa.
Overhand right by Pagara.
Oh, big left hook, big left hook.
He's down again.
Oh boy, big left hook and Chavez. I don't think he's getting up. Cruz Chavez waving it off. Big left hook, big left hook.
Second round knockout.
Di na ito sumubok pang tumayo. Alam na niya na wala na talaga siyang pag-asang makasabay at makabawi pa.
What a show of power. 2 knockdowns in the opening round. At sa ikalawang round, isang matinding left hook ang binitawan ni Pagara. The key is he was mixing his punches well. Every punch Pagara threw was loaded with bad intentions. He was power personified dito sa labang ito. There is Chavez. Double check naman ang ating ringside position if he is okay. Because that was an awesome show.
Oh, that was beautiful.
Beautiful.
Oh,
Ito yung finishing. At talaga nakita mo, hilo.
hilo talaga.
Ito pa isang angulo. Boom! There's the big left hook.
And the right.
Lumagutok. Yung left hook na
Panalo si Jason El Nino Pagara sa laban via TKO sa second round lang.
Your winner by technical knockout and still WBO International Junior Welterweight Champion from the Philippines, El Nino Jason Pagara.
Jason El Nino Pagara, second round knockout winner kontra kay Cesar El Dolar.
Ano ang masasabi ninyo sa video ito? Ang inyong komento, question at reaction ay welcome na welcome sa baba. Shoutout kay Boy Astig PH, Jenmerjan Garcia from Macau, Rexis in Lumungsod, Gidal Vlogs, Nico Cotillas, Wasabi Legs, Pancho Elliot, Rodolfo Jr. Lianio, Nonito Alcantara, Lorena Gonzalez. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping permi.